Hey guys, welcome back to Jesse Invests. On today's video, we're going to be looking at my new net worth tracker that's available for you guys to start tracking your net worth, tracking your debts and your assets, and just get on top of where your finances are at overall and what your value financially is. So before we dive into this, guys, go ahead and hit that like button down below, hit that sub button down below. It helps me out a lot, shows your support for the channel, and helps more people see this. So it's a win-win situation. It's free to do so. So let's get into it, guys. Also, sorry if I sound a little under the weather. It's because I have a sinus infection right now that I'm hoping to recover from soon, and a pounding headache, and all, the whole sorts. But yeah, so here is my net worth tracker, which you guys can find down in the description by joining my Discord for free. There are 7 more spots for free, and in there you'll find links to this spreadsheet, all the spreadsheets to start using for free. You can even quit the Discord after you join it if you want. Excuse me. After those 7 spots are filled out, you can access this link by going to the access this sheet by going to the link in my description for my Patreon. If you jump into that, you'll get access to the Discord with all those sheets for free, and you can cancel your subscription right away if you wish. Otherwise, it's great to support me. So here's what we got going on. So the way this net worth sheet goes, super fun here. It'll track, we put in, where your assets are, where your expenses are at, and then it'll track it right here in this chart here. It'll track where your assets are and what categories of your liabilities, your debts. Now this is probably my favorite chart. This right here tells us kind of a sink or swim looking chart for assets and liabilities. So let's say in this example, right, we've put down that we have $1,800 in bank one. Let's say, you have $300 in savings. We could put $300 there and watch how your cash and bank accounts goes up and your total assets as well. Investments, we can put in, you can change the names of the investments right here. So we could put in, let's say you have $300 in your IRA, but you have $6,000 in your 401k, and maybe you have a Robinhood, for example, and you have $50 in there. That'll total out your investments right here. Add them with the cash and bank accounts to get your total assets right here. And while we're plugging in the assets, we can see up here for the month of January, because this is a net worth summary month by month, that our assets are going up, and it's compared to our total liabilities, giving a net worth of negative $942 right now, because we have almost $1,000 more debt than we do assets. But let's keep adding. You can write down how many properties you have, the name of the property, maybe like your main home, or any other, if you have multiple properties, you can put that in here. You can write how much you have in equity in that home here. You can put down other assets, things that maybe you don't typically think of as investments, but they are, like gold jewelry, silver jewelry. Maybe you have like silver bars or something in a safe, something like that. You can put that down there. And here, when we get to the red, we get to liabilities. This is where you'll write down your short-term debts, like if you have credit card debt, maybe you borrowed money from somebody that you owe them back. Long-term debts would be like if you have a car loan, let's say you owe $15,000 left on your car, and maybe you have a home mortgage of $30,000 left on your home mortgage, but your primary home, you have $9,000 in equity for it. Primary residence. Then now we're looking at $54,000 in debt, $17,000 in assets for negative $36K. And then any other liabilities you have that might not fit into those categories can go down here. And so after we plug those in, we can see that our net worth for the month of January is negative $36,942. Our assets, it'll tell us that 12% is in cash, 36% is invested, 51% is in your properties. Your liabilities are going to be like 17% in short-term debts like credit cards, and then 82% in longer debts like a home mortgage. Then that'll spell it out right here. We can see that our liabilities are way above our assets right now. But as we get better with that month to month, this will transform, right? We can see the year-to-date progress, which is basically telling you how much month by month you're making progress, right? But yeah, it's pretty much all there is to it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. It's a pretty cool little tool. I love seeing the progress I make over time. As I spend less, I save more as my investments go up. But yeah, again, you can access this for free. The link in my description. I may also open up more free spots on Discord if this starts to get a lot of attention. Because I really just want to get this to you guys. I don't really want to put it behind a paywall. I do love support in the, for my efforts on the channel, but again, I want to get this to you as many people as I can so they can start using it right away. So go ahead and hit and join the Discord in my description. Check out that Patreon. Just take a look at it and go ahead and start utilizing all these spreadsheets I have for free in my Discord below. I think I have 6 or 7 different spreadsheets right now for finance and investing, things like that. So thanks for supporting the channel, guys. I will see you next time.